up guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing a foundation review. It's been a hot minute since I've done one, and that's simply because I haven't really been purchasing makeup like that due to the whole pandemic thing and like not going outside. But during this pandemic, I've been using just my iconic London foundation stick, and I'm actually about to finish it, and I don't think they make my shade anymore. So I went to Sephora and I was like, I want to try a new foundation stick because I've been really liking foundation sticks. And I realized that Huda Beauty came out with one, and I've been seeing it on YouTube. I haven't watched any reviews, but I was like, you know what, let me try it myself, and why not do it here on camera for you guys since it is a new foundation. So before I begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So just to give you guys some tea on this foundation stick, of course, like I said, it's from Huda Beauty. I only have one because I'm not like on their PR or anything like this. I did purchase this with my own money. This costs $39, which is about average, I feel like, for foundation sticks, especially foundation sticks that are like in Sephora, so more like high end, if you will. It's called the Faux Filter Skin Finish. It's buildable coverage. Huda Beauty is really known for giving you that flawless full coverage look, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get, you know, a beat down with this. Now it says it has a natural finish and it's waterproof, so I'm not too sure if this is going to be for the girls with oily skin. So you are getting 0.44 fluid ounces. Now I'm thinking most liquid foundations are 1 fluid ounce, so you are getting less product with this foundation stick than you are with like a liquid foundation. So the shade that I have is Brown Sugar 410G, so I'm assuming the G stands for golden because I do have more of a golden undertone. And the way I pretty much did it, because you know you can't try on foundations right now, you can't try on anything in stores, I just kind of swatched the iconic London one next to this one, and this one seemed like it had the closest match, so I'm hoping that this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and we can take a look. Now I did notice that on her like marketing it did say fragrance free, because I know the liquid one, that was a huge thing, was like the fragrance being really strong. I never tried it, but I did smell it in the store and I was like, yeah, it is pretty strong. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. I do like this whole like acrylic top. It looks really sleek and beautiful, so I'm feeling that. And this is what the brown sugar shade looks like. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this and try it on. So I am going to wear this foundation throughout the day with my family, and I'll probably do like some check-ins and things like that just to see how the foundation wears. But it's kind of hard to do those type of tests when you have to wear a mask. Like, you know, I live in New York, so I'm either getting on the train or I'm getting in an Uber, and the mask tends to take off some of my makeup. So I don't really know how accurate the wear test is going to be. So anyway, I'm just going to do my regular routine with this. I'm going to start with the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. This has been my go-to primer for a while now, and I'm just going to start by putting some of this on. I am breaking out pretty bad. I'm going to be honest and transparent with you guys. Pretty stressed out. There's a lot of stuff going on in my personal life, and it is showing in my skin. So unfortunately, my skin is not looking its best, and I'm hoping that this foundation stick covers as much as it can cover. All right, so now that we have the primer on, I'm gonna go ahead with the foundation stick. Yep, fragrance free. I can smell the primer. I can't smell this. So yep, no fragrance at all. Love to hear it. I'm just gonna start with doing some swipes. Okay, I feel like this color is gonna be good. It's gliding really smooth, like no tugging. I don't know, first impression, it feels like this color looks really good. So the way I apply my foundation all the time is with a beauty blender, so I'm not going to change that at all. I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender right here. Oh, this color looks promising. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start blending this in. All right, I feel like with the amount that I applied is definitely giving me more of like a medium coverage. I can see how you can get something lightweight with this, apply less, and you can get a really sheer coverage. But after I apply this layer, I think what we're going to do is apply a second layer and just see how buildable this is. Because right now, I'm definitely getting medium coverage vibes. Okay, so first impression, the color is a great match. I think we did good with the color. Brown sugar is definitely my color. What I'll do for you guys, I will leave some other foundation references in the description box. So if you look at me and you feel like, all right, I might be the same color as her, I'll put some other foundations in the description box that I use and the shade that I use. And you can go from there and see if this is the color for you. Maybe it'll help you figure it out. But this is looking good. Definitely giving me more medium coverage. Definitely giving me natural, a little dewy, which is great because I have dry skin, so I prefer my foundations to be a little bit dewy. So not too sure how this is going to work with somebody with oily skin, but let me go ahead and apply another layer and see what we working with. Okay, this is the area that needs prayer right here, all up over there. Okay, I'm using my little mirror here just to get a little bit more up close and personal, and yeah, I feel like I'm getting more of a full coverage now that I added that additional layer, but still giving natural though. You know when people be like, I want full coverage but I want to look natural? I don't know, I feel like this is giving me that, maybe because of the finish, but I'm definitely getting full coverage now that I added that additional layer. But at the same time, I feel like it doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on. Feeling wise, I don't know, feeling wise, I feel like I have makeup on a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That could just be because I haven't worn makeup in a couple of days. I don't know. Yeah, this looks good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do the rest of my routine like I usually do. We could do that together. So I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cookie, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. Pretty much the center of my face, you know, the usual routine. Now, typically what I would do, instead of putting foundation all over my face, I do my highlight, contour, and foundation all at the same time. I feel like that saves me product and also gives me a nice natural look. It gives me pretty much the same outcome, you know what I'm saying, but using less product, and it's also a lot faster. But because the focus of this video is the foundation, I wanted to go ahead and put the foundation on all over. And then for my contour, I've been liking the Juvia's Play shade sticks. This is not the shade that I like. Hold on, this is not the shade that I like. This is Benin, I believe is how you pronounce it, the Juvia's Place shade stick. I really like this one to contour, so we're gonna put a little bit right here, like so, like that, and we do it like that. Okay, now that the concealer and the contour is blended out, I'm going to go ahead and use my Laura Mercier powder in Translucent Honey to go ahead and set those highlighted areas. I haven't really been setting the rest of my face, like as far as like down here. That's pretty much the only other area. I don't be feeling like it's necessary. I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep on doing it like that. I feel like I change my foundation routine like every 2 weeks maybe. Am I the only one? Is like I always find a new way that I like to do it. But I think that's the fun part about makeup. Just being able to, you know, change up your routine all the time and find new and improved ways to do things, new exciting ways to do things, things that keep you getting creative, you know what I'm saying? Because makeup can become really repetitive after a while, except for like eye makeup, but when it comes to your skin, it can become pretty repetitive. So it's nice to just switch things up and have fun with it. So now that I have those highlighted areas set, I feel like we're looking good. You guys use that comment section to let me know, hype me up if I'm looking all right, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and just start bronzing up my skin. I'm gonna use the Huda bronzer in the shade Caramel. Warm up this skin a little bit more. Next, what I like to do is, you guys probably seen me do this a million times on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram, is take the Jaclyn Hill powder in the shade Brilliance. It has like a little bit of a sheen to it. And I like to just dust this over the highlighted areas. It's going to remove any excess translucent powder from Laura Mercier, but also just give me a nice little glow. Because, you know, I don't like to be matte. I like to have a glow to my skin. No shade. I feel like I look alright. No shade. This, what's this called? What's this thing called? Huda Beauty foundation stick might have did something. Now for blush. I'm going to use my Scott Barnes, why I said it like that, Scott Barnes. I'm going to use my Scott Barnes blush palette. And I'm going to use the shade Mango Fizz, which is this really beautiful like orangey shade right here. And we're just going to go ahead and put that on. And I'm going to use the same brush that I used. I put way too much. I'm going to use the same brush that I put my bronzer on with, so that way the bronzer and the blush can kind of mix and come up with a really beautiful shade. I don't know. I could have made that up, but I feel like it's not as bright as it looks in the pan when you mix it with the bronzer. It just gives you really beautiful color. Y'all see what I'm saying? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down or no? So for my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleam Radiant Dust Illuminating Loose Powder. That is a mouthful, in the shade Light Gold, because I feel like we're looking kind of golden, bronzy-ish, and I just feel like this would be a good shade to highlight with. The one thing about loose powders is, boy, they last a long time, because I can't even tell you how long I've had this. I don't even know if that's a bad thing, but they last such a long time. Ooh, Chile, get into it. This is giving summer when it's not summer. I may have went a little overboard on the nose. I didn't mean to do that. That was an accident. That was definitely an accident. Did not mean to do that at all. Now that the skin is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish off my eye makeup and do my lip off camera, and we'll be back to just kind of get into the final look. Also, there's something that I'm gonna tell you guys, and yeah, we'll go from there. So be right back. Okay guys, and I am back. Sorry, I need to do my hair so bad, but like I just don't be feeling like it. I'm gonna do it soon, I swear. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I feel like this looks really good. The foundation looks really, really good. I'm not seeing any oxidizing yet. I think it's a perfect match for me. So far, so the first impressions is definitely good coverage. So you are going to get anywhere from natural to full coverage depending on how much you apply. It definitely has a more natural set and finish. So it is not a matte foundation. So if you're somebody who has oily skin, I don't think it's going to be something you enjoy. But this is definitely something I can see myself wearing every day. I like it. So far, so good. So what I'm going to do is obviously wear this throughout the day. It's probably going to be a really, really long day with this on. And then either I will check in throughout the day or I will come back at night and let you guys know my final thoughts. But so far, so good. So before we do that, don't go anywhere. Okay, it is Thanksgiving, and I'm not doing this because of Thanksgiving, and I don't want to get emotional, but we hit 10,000 subscribers, and right now, I needed that more than anything. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. Oh, Jesus. Give me a second. If you guys knew everything that was going on in my life, you would understand why I feel like this. But, whew. Right now, I needed that more than anything. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. And I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the organic growth. And I'm so appreciative for all of you guys that, you know, hit that subscribe button. And whether a video does great or it flops, a lot of you be there for every video. And I really do appreciate it. And I know 10,000 is not a crazy high number in comparison to maybe some of your favorite YouTubers, but it's definitely something that I didn't see coming, something I didn't know was going to happen until maybe like a year ago. I was like, okay, it might be possible, but you know, when I started this channel back in 2014, I just did it just for fun, just because I loved makeup and I loved, you know, sharing things I was excited about. And then this channel obviously evolved, especially this year. You know, we went from just makeup to lots of natural hair videos, and then you guys seem to really, really love those. And then we started talking about like sex toys and all that stuff, and you guys seem to enjoy that too. You know, I'm just so appreciative for all of you guys that hit that subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me. You guys single-handedly have changed my life more than you know. And I appreciate you. So with that being said, I am doing a giveaway. So I know it's been a long time since I've done a giveaway on my channel. Woo, child, it's been some years probably, but I am doing 3 different giveaways, one for each platform that I'm on. So one YouTube, one Instagram, one TikTok. So you guys have 3 chances to win, and you can apply for all 3 of them. They'll be all individually on each platform, so you'll just have to go and apply to all of them. The giveaway is pretty much, I just took one of these large priority boxes boxes from the USPS, and whatever I can fit in the box, you guys would get. So there's makeup, there's skincare, there's hair care, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Definitely some full-size stuff. This one right here actually has a whole like Ricky mirror inside of it, which is really, really awesome. So pretty much whatever I can fit in these boxes, I am giving away, and I have 3 of them. So the rules are really, really simple for the giveaway, okay? All you have to do for you guys here on YouTube, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. That is first and foremost. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? And I want you to comment something you are thankful for. 2020 has been a crazy year. I think a lot of the times we think about all the negatives that we don't sit back and, you know, be grateful for the things that we do have. So I want you to comment something that you are thankful for, and also comment your Instagram name. So that way, whenever I choose the winner, it's easier for me to get in touch with you guys. Okay, so let me repeat the rules. You must be subscribed to my channel. I am checking. Give this video a thumbs up, and then comment something you're thankful for, as well as your Instagram name. If you do not have Instagram, which I feel like that's rare, but if you don't have Instagram, go ahead and comment like your email address. Do Instagram first. And if you guys are interested in trying each giveaway, go ahead and go to my TikTok as well as my Instagram, and those links will be in the description box. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of the support, and I cannot wait to choose the winner. The giveaway will end on the 4th of November, so I'm giving you guys a whole week. So this video is going up on Black Friday. It's a Friday, so this giveaway will end next week, Friday, okay, on the 4th. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get ready to enjoy my Thanksgiving, and we'll check in later about the makeup. Yo, what's buzzing, cousin?
What's buzzing, cousin?
All right, I need you to look at me. I had a mask on, okay, so I'm a little bit. We're buzzing, cousin. How does my face look? Give me all the tea on this foundation.
Can we go to better lighting?
We can.
Pause.
So we're in the better lighting now. How do we feel about my foundation? Look at me.
Now we talking about color or
Everything. I had a mask on,
it's
so
full coverage.
Okay.
It's definitely full coverage.
Does that look
Definitely
pretty?
warm. No, it looks good. It doesn't look bad. Doesn't look textury. It looks good. What is that? Double wear?
No. The new Huda Beauty foundation.
Shut up! And I wanted to try it. It's good.
So far, I like it. We're doing a wear test.
Is it creamy?
It is very creamy. It glides on like super duper smooth.
In these streets looking.
So we're doing a wear test. So
No, but it looks good. How long have you had it on for?
What time I came here?
It looks like full coverage, but not heavy.
It's been a couple of hours though. It's been at least 5 hours.
And your nose hasn't fallen apart yet.
No, and I had the mask on.
No, I'm impressed.
Even my business, don't do that. So it's been about, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours, and I feel like my foundation still looks good. Do we all agree? Okay, foundation. Okay, so I think it still looks good. Check in. Yes. Does it look good?
You look good, gang. I'm drunk.
All right, guys, and I'm back. It is 12:37 a.m. and I've had this foundation on for probably like 10 or 11 hours now. You know, I'm a little lit. Okay, and I do want to know I've had a mask on twice, so both Uber rides going and coming back. I have not touched up one time today. I've been drinking. I've tumbled on the floor doing a flip. Follow me on Instagram because a lot of craziness be happening there. I pretty much had a really, really good time, and I want to say this foundation looks absolutely amazing. It looks so good to be doing all that I've done and have had it on as long as I've had it on. Minimal creasing at the smile lines, but that's normal for me, but it's normally a lot worse than what it is. Very, very minimal creasing, minimal shine. It looks so good. It looks so good, and I'm so happy with this foundation. I'm really, really happy, and I'm definitely going to continue to use it. So I give this foundation 2 thumbs up. Definitely, I would say maybe a 9 out of 10, and I'm only giving a 9 out of 10 just because I'm kind of annoyed that it's not 1 fluid ounce. But other than that, this foundation is phenomenal, and I highly recommend for my girls out there who like natural, medium, full coverage foundations. Also, if you are more on the normal to dry skin, the shine isn't even crazy. So you might be able to finesse this if you're somebody with oily skin as well. So I can't stop looking in the mirror. It looks great. All my friends, my family was like, no, your makeup looks really good. As you guys can see from the check-in, I'm happy. So I definitely give this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Skin Finish Foundation Stick 2 thumbs up, and I highly recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some insight on this foundation stick in case you were looking to pick it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.